French Polynesia's sacred spaces, like the Papeete Tahiti Temple and Marae Mahayatea, are more than just architectural wonders. They're the heartbeat of the island's cultural and spiritual identity. These sites blend traditional Polynesian styles with modern and colonial influences, serving as pivotal locations for community gatherings and the preservation of heritage. The Papeete Tahiti Temple, dedicated on October 27, 1983, is a modern sanctuary that reflects the island's mountainous terrain with its sloping roof and single spire. Covering 1.7 acres, with a floor area of 12,150 square feet and a height of 66 feet, it's a testament to the enduring faith of the island's inhabitants, designed by architect Emil B. Fetzer. Marae Mahayatea, once a grand structure, now offers a glimpse into the ancient Polynesian society. Though much of the original marae has been lost, the Museum of Tahiti nearby showcases artifacts that provide insight into both traditional and contemporary Polynesian life. The architecture of French Polynesia's sacred spaces reflects a unique blend of religious significance and cultural expression. From the grand Marae Mahayatea to the modern Papeete Tahiti Temple, each structure tells a story of the island's heritage and beliefs, demonstrating a respect for the environment and a continuation of ancestral craftsmanship. French Polynesia's religious landscape is a rich tapestry of indigenous spirituality and Christianity. Temples and churches are central to community life, hosting events and ceremonies that symbolize the continuity of cultural practices across generations. Pilgrimage sites in French Polynesia are pivotal in maintaining the continuity of Polynesian identity. They serve as a bridge between the past and the present, allowing pilgrims to immerse themselves in the spiritual and cultural narratives of their ancestors. During festive occasions, Pacific Island villages showcase their unique traditions through live performances, cuisine, and arts and crafts. These events are a reflection of the community's pride and joy in their heritage, offering a glimpse into the heart of its communities. The preservation of sacred sites in French Polynesia is a delicate task that involves maintaining their historical and cultural integrity. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that these ancient structures can continue to serve as a bridge between the spiritual life of the region and the ongoing efforts to preserve them for future generations. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.
Only be made.